Since the dawn of time, and certainly since meat was invented, man has sought the ability to create fire wherever he chose. This hasn't always been easy. In this video I'm going to show you the easy method to produce char cloth. Char cloth readily accepts a cool spark to then produce enough heat to ignite tinder. Char cloth can be made from many natural fibre cloths, but we're going to use cotton wool balls, which are readily available from drugstores and supermarkets, and denim material. Well, it's very common. The denim material will need cutting up into 2-inch squares or 5cm squares, whichever you choose. And remember kids, it's easier to seek forgiveness than ask permission. Here I'm using a camping stove, but you could easily use an open fire. Regardless of which method you use, always carry out this procedure in a well ventilated area, as methane and carbon monoxide are produced. I'm going to use an old beans can today, but you could use a metal box with a lid. It's important to put a hole in the lid regardless of what you use, as the flammable gases produced during the heating process will expand rapidly, potentially causing an explosion. The methane can be burnt off and generally combust anyway. When the flames finally die and no more fumes are emitted, the process is complete. Allow the can to fully cool before removing the lid, as the char cloth can easily reignite. Whilst we give you a real-time demonstration of how long this process lasts, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe so that we can grow the channel and bring you more of the videos you enjoy watching. The process is nearly over now. It's time to allow the can to cool before we tip it out and show you the produce. Now we'll make a quick batch of the denim material so that you can see how that turns out as well. Now that batch is done, we'll light a piece up and show you how it works. Here we're using an infrared thermometer to show the rapid increase in heat. Now we'll try it with some tinder. And finally, some traditional flint and steel. See how I'm holding the char cloth on the top of the flint as it catches the spark easily there.